sacking from the office of Ebonyi State Governor, His Excellency Chief David Umahi and his deputy, His Excellency Chief Kelechi Igwe, by a Federal High Court for defecting to the ruling All Progressive Congress. In the same ruling, the court presided over by Justice Inyang Eko also sacked the 17 members of the Ebonyi State House of Assembly, who also defected with the governor and his deputy to the APC. You will recall that Governor Umahi, his deputy, and the 17 lawmakers were elected on the platform of the People's Democratic Party in 2015 and again in 2019, but defected to the APC on November 17, 2020, citing in quotes injustice done to the Southeast, and determined to reclaim our stolen mandates. The PDP had sued them and joined both the APC and INEC in the suit. We had prayed the court to declare that by defecting from the PDP, on whose platform they were sponsored and elected, Umahi, Igwe, and the 17 lawmakers had resigned or deemed to have resigned from office on the day of their defections. Because when people vote, they don't vote for the individual. They vote for the party. So by resigning, they were taking away our mandate, the mandate of the party. And the Federal High Court, sitting in Abuja, gave the PDP and democracy justice today. In a landmark judgment, the court ruled that the votes in any election in Nigeria are to political parties, this is in quote, and not candidates. Justice Eko consequently ordered all the affected persons to vacate office. He also ordered the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, to receive names of candidates from the PDP to replace Mrs. Umahi and Igwe. First, we want to appreciate the Nigerian judiciary for this landmark judgment. The ruling will bring order in the political space and check the issue of political rascality and stolen mandates. The judiciary is indeed the backbone of this democracy. We also want to single out Justice Inyang Eko for special recognition, particularly for being courageous and forthright in going for the substance of the law rather than the technicalities. And in line with the court order, PDP is immediately submitting to INEC the names of our candidates for governor and deputy governor of Ebonyi State, respectively. In fact, that already has been done. And in line with the court order, we are also calling on INEC to immediately issue the certificates of return to the PDP nominees as replacement for Mrs. Umahi and Igwe, pursuant to the order of the Honorable Court. Furthermore, we call on the Chief Judge of Ebonyi State to immediately swear them in as soon as INEC issues the requisite certificates of return. And lastly, we call on INEC to immediately withdraw the certificates of return from the 17 lawmakers and commence the process of conducting by-elections to replace them. Thank you and God bless you all.
Thank you very much, sir.
To advise other people to appeal or not to appeal. After due consultation with stakeholders in Ebonyi State, are putting forward Honorable Iduma Igariwe as the new governor. Honorable Iduma Igariwe. And for Deputy Governor, Mr. Fred Udogo. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. The party now has a candidate for replacement in the Ebonyi National Women's Day. And we're getting this democratic gift. Democracy in action. Good evening all.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.